Imagine drifting alone in the cold, unyielding silence of the deep space void, millions of light years away from anything you have ever known. Ahead of you sits the ultimate boss of physics, a supermassive black hole. Its swirling, brilliant accretion disk burns with a terrifying orange and yellow light, illuminating the dark. But you aren't looking at the light. You are staring directly into the center, at a sphere of absolute bottomless shadow, the point of no return. As you drift closer, the universe begins to warp right before your eyes. The stars behind the black hole twist and bend into strange, glowing, concentric rings, a hypnotic distortion known as gravitational lensing. You are passing through the photon sphere now, a surreal boundary where light itself is trapped in a permanent, circular orbit. And then, you cross it. The event horizon. Instantly, the rules of reality break down, and the nightmare begins. The gravitational pull on your feet is now exponentially stronger than the pull on your head. This is the moment of structural failure. Physicists call it spaghettification. You can feel the unseen tidal forces stretching your spacesuit, pulling at your boots, and violently elongating your spine. Your matter is no longer solid. On a microscopic, atomic level, your molecules are being shredded apart, pulled into a long, paper-thin, vertical stream of glowing particles that are descending relentlessly into the dark. But you aren't just stretching in space. You are stretching in time. Due to the extreme nature of time dilation, everything changes depending on who is watching. If someone was safely viewing you from a spaceship far away, they would see you slow down as you approach the horizon. To them, you would appear completely frozen, trapped forever at the edge of the void, never quite falling in. But your reality is entirely different. As you look back out at the dying universe behind you, time explodes into hyperspeed. Because time moves slower for you inside the gravity well, you watch the entire future history of the cosmos unfold in a matter of seconds. Generations of stars are born, live out their lives, and violently explode into supernovas right before your eyes. You are witnessing the absolute end of time in a single heartbeat. Now, you are completely inside the horizon. There is no turning back. There is no light, no sound, and absolutely no escape. The geometry of space-time has bent so violently inside the void that the laws of direction have swapped. Every possible path, every single vector you could try to move, only leads to one inescapable destination, the center. In front of you lies the Singularity, a point where an entire giant star has been crushed into an infinitely small space, with infinite density and infinite gravity. Space and time as we understand them completely cease to exist. What happens when you finally touch it? Is it a violent, chaotic end at a blazing quantum firewall? Or does the fabric of dimensions tear wide open, spitting your shredded atoms out of a white hole and into a brand new universe?